Social, social. Good morning. Dami yun, no? Uy. Bawian natin yung tumalas sa atin. Kasi makashoot sa labas sa atin. Sa loob talagang walang tumatama. Pati yung mga pick and roll, no? Libreng-libre na. Saan yung damit mo, kuya? Andito na? O, tara. Washing kami ngayon eh. Akala nyo, hindi man na maglabas si JDTV. Akala nyo, may washing machine. Ang dami naman, ulog. Kuha tayo tubig. Lipad sila. Hindi, lipad sila lawag to naiya. Tapos naiya. Grabing gastos, no? Pero mas mabilis, no?
Yung sakyan na itim na yun, tsaka yung Honda. Ngayon sa kapat yun.
Dati tinanong mo na, mabibenta ng 200,000.
Malabo ko.
Honda Civic, no? Shooting ka, kuya, naka, ka lang? Chinelas. Tuwagay. Hindi ka nagagalaw, no?
Hindi na ako sa pahat.
So, mag-shooting muna kami para mamaya makatulog kami. Kasi kung hindi kami nag-shooting, ay natulog lang kami. Ang bigat ng katawan nun, no? Yan. Kaya hindi ka pa nagsasalita sa vlog ko. Mahihain. Kahapon pa yan, tinututukan ko ng camera. Ayaw magsalita. Camera shy ka pala, kuya, no?
Ano nga? Nag-best player nga ako sa hindi ko alam kung ano
sasabihin.
MPBL, Bismin. Ilang beses na ako nag-best player.
Wala, ayaw magsalita eh.
Ayun na.
Yan. Bawal ba? Makabutas lang kahit konti. Low po. Okay po. Yan. Wala siya eh. Andun, kanina kasama namin eh. Yan, pwede. Malakas yung pangalan ni boss dito. Yan. 100 made shots lang kami ngayon. Pagod. Poise na. Yes, sir. Tapos na kami. Grabe. So tired. Good workout. Good workout. Good workout, kuya. Baka naiya ka pa rin sa camera, kuya. Lagi na lang. Oo nga eh. Nagtatakip ka agad eh. Hindi na maraw. Ganito Bolis live sa Pangasinan, no? Yeah. So, Ilocos. Nagpagutom lang. Kanina, garlic longganisa, yun yung best dito sa Ilocos. Dalan ko yung liligawan ko ng longganisa. Mga ex nun, dala sa kanya. Mga social. Tapos ako, dala ko longganisa. Wala sa ganun yun. Very practical.
Longganisa mo sa harap.
Oo. Mga Louis Vuitton, dinadala doon. Okay, mamaya na. Bye. So, may pagkain pala kami. Ayan, oh. Wow! Adobo and gulay. Kain na, kuya.
Kain na?
Oo. Tara, Jex, kain na. Parang iba yung adobo, no? Ano tawag sila mo? Uba. Game 2, kailangan na namin bumawi. Ano yan? Ay. Tara, kuya. Let's go. Let's go. Wala pa si boss. Bawi tayo ngayon. Yes. Nag-sleeper bus kami. First time namin mag-sleeper bus. Ate, order out 3 kilo po. Magkano po? Thank you. Order kami ng empanada. Yun yung sikat dito sa Batak. Sarap to, sarap. Sukang paumbong ng Bulacan. Tagal pata. Ha? Ano? Ako hindi naman. Ba't ikaw yung niligano? Saan na? Wala pa rin? Andun na. Lulutuin lang ulit. Yun ang foul. Ge!
Defended by Tan. Pass in the middle. Artero. Backward cut. Backward. It's out. Cabanas. Nasa kanan. Inside pass. Now, it is an offensive move. Forward now on the left wing. That is his dribble. Long shot. On the Gami. Gami. Catch and fire. Shot too strong. Find the rebound. And now Horner will make for the second time. Leo on the left. Switches to right. Problem is it. Valencia mga nakuha. Valencia rejected by Arquero. First back leg. Balik ni Cabanas. Great defense para dito kay Alvarez. And we have a foul on sportsmanlike foul. And as on the first shot, has thrown. Second shot too strong. Ball will stay. Tries up to take it. And Valencia. Sa corner. Valencia against Valencia. And Valencia will finish over Valencia. Boise galing kay Trent. Bayulan Tita. Bogo. Quick fire. Shot is short. And grab his own kick. Bayulan as last. He uses the pitch. Bayulan attacks right. Great separation. Not the top of left. Valencia working his way in. Valencia on the low post. They double team. Crossbar back. Anticipated perfectly. Here comes Trent. Napapamali. Kasha holds on the break. Kasha has to back left. Long pass. But number 20 is right there to recover. And here comes Sky. Sky. Nasubukan na naman yung Pierre. Ball to the corner. Dami. Bucket free. Shot is short. Outlet to Dami. And And Valencia working his way in, his spin, turn around jumper, shot one go. Fight for the naman kanina mapupunta. And here comes Pierre. Pierre attacks left, 6 seconds, onto the corner, top there. And time. Time wants away. Time pulls off, jumper, shot one go. And top left, sa kanila, nagmamadali naman. And it is a foul. It will go. And Tan sa kanila. Tan looking to score. He uses a Verdadero big. Tan. Big girl after. And Verdadero shot to score. Iwan din na malunggo ang kalamangan. Verdadero gustong pumawit. Against Samarosa. Big double team. Kick out pass. Tatanggap. Tan on to Reyes. Reyes pinabit ng konti. And that shot is in. Comes Rexy. Rexy. Oh my God. Great separation off the glass for that two. And Tan wants the right side on his own. Dave. And Verdadero natanggap. Verdadero attacks. Nasubukan ng Grant. And scanning the floor. Tan switches face. foul. Here comes Payulan. Payulan, pass to Dave. Nahorna inside. Onto the corner. Great find. And Maradero will finish that corner. Block 69 all. Payulan crosses over. Payulan now looking for a teammate. He got his dribble. Onto Nahorna. And Nasal. Watch it. And Javier against that. It is. Little pass, Cabanas attacks left. It's the shot off the glass. And 2 seconds. And Esta attacks right. Defended by Kasha. Valencia, elbow jumper. Masyadong malakas. And we have a foul. It will go against Nahorna. And he wants to secure the ball. Binigay na yung kay Nahorna. Balik kay Nahorna. Nahorna! Faces for Ruben! That's number 3! Esta. Pass to Nahorna. Nahorna. Adjusts left. Great defense by the Nicolay Grab. Nas for the man. Ball stolen. Valencia. Binigay kay Nahorna. Runs the man. 6-1 here in the zone. And he will grab his own rebound. Payulan. Wide open. No hesitation. Time uses the one up pick. Onto the corner. Nahorna. Big pressure. Oh, Nas for the man. Outlet. Oh, Watchers. Number 16. Easily in. 2-point lead, the 1-ball possession game. Time uses the pick. Has the free ball, attacks baseline. Onto Nahorna. Nahorna, nilapit na konti. And he grabs that floater too. Big man to big man. Mari. Lascos is going in. Time, ay hawak ng bola. Bongo from deep. Masyadong malakas. And time. It was a promo foul, making Arquero get his 5th foul. Number 2 of XYZ, that's your 5th and final foul. And number 7 of Alvarez. And Nahorna, kinakaltan. And spin one goal. And finally, and back. What's wrong with the base? Ayaw sumabay. And over in the big, he wants a big. And back, Elizabeth Bongo, wide open. Ayaw papasok. Offensive rebound for Pan. Michael Russo. Pan na rin nakakakuha. Pan, pass to Betadero. Betadero, attacks. And there is the whistle. And Giem. That is the ball. Giem attacks once again. And Patay, 1-point lead for them. Betadero, pass to Pan. And Pan uses the bottom pick. And he delays the defense. Bongo decides not to take it. 5 on the shot clock. Pan pulls up, top of the key, shot short. And Payulan, nakasirala ng ring. Again, once again, tumakalanan si Patay. And now, onto the other end, Rio with the ball, taking it easy. He's making it a good man. 1987, 3-point lead for XYZ. And Payulan. Bongo from deep. Offensive rebound. Betadero. Passing it up. uses the point of play. As he dribble, attacks inside. It is a foul. First shot is in. Valencia, Nataka, Valencia is finished, Steven pass, and Kaluga from the... Horda on the inbound, Valencia, Nataka, last 1 minute. And the Horda finds Mayudan, Mayudan has the attack, low gather, laser for Valencia, and he knocks down the 2-pointer. Esa gets back left, he's not
Nikki, happy birthday! From Aldwin!
Family! Let's go! Happy birthday, Nikki!
You can support the channel here.